Previously, I guided you how to use this powerful open source tool on free Google Colab and swap faces like a pro. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Roop locally on Windows. The Roop project is discontinued on GitHub and most of the model files are also disabled for public access. But I have got you covered. I will provide you the ONNX model files and also guide you to install FFMPEG library and Microsoft Visual Build tools on Windows operating system. So stick until the end of this video. First of all, you need to go to official Roop project on GitHub. So this project won't receive any updates, but we can use it, right? Scroll down to the installation section and click on the basic installation and you will land on this page. Now click on Windows option under the setup your platform section. On this page, you will see a couple of commands. Just copy the first command. This will install Python version 3.10 in your system. I highly recommend you to use Conda or virtual environment to avoid any conflicts here. I am using Anaconda for this and I have made a completely separate environment for this. Launch the cmd command and paste the copied command in the command prompt. It will start installing Python. After complete installation of Python, install pip now. Just copy the command from GitHub page and paste it in here. I skipped the installation as I already installed Git on my system. Next, you need to install FFmpeg. Just try to install it from the command prompt. If you are successfully installing it using the command prompt, then you can skip this step. For installing FFmpeg, you need to go to download page of FFmpeg. I have provided the link in the description of this video. Just go to the URL and select the Windows icon. Click on the first link and download page will be opened. Just scroll down a bit and download FFmpeg release full.7z. Just wait for the download to complete. After that, copy the file from the downloads folder and paste it in one of your drive partition and extract it. Rename the folder to FFmpeg just to be simple. Now open this folder and navigate to bin folder. Click on the address bar of the folder and copy the folder path. Now go to start menu and search for variables. Open this control, edit system environment variables. A Windows System Properties dialog will open and you need to click on Environment Variables here. Click on Path and then edit it. Click the New button here and paste the folder path. Click OK and close the dialog. Just to confirm, open the command prompt from the Start menu and write FFmpeg-version and hit Enter. You will see FFmpeg installed now. Just restart your system once in order to work it properly. Now, you need to install Microsoft Visual C++. Go to the Visual Studio download page. I have provided the link in the description of this video and download the community edition from here. Open the Visual Studio installer and make sure you select Python development and desktop development with C++ along with the default options. It will gonna take some time, depends on the internet speed and your system specification. After installing Visual Studio, go to Roop GitHub repo again. Copy this exact piece of code from here and open Anaconda from the start menu. Open the cmd prompt and paste the repo URL and hit enter. The repo will start downloading in your system. Just wait for it to complete. After completing the installation, you need to install the requirements and just copy this piece of code and paste it in the command prompt and hit enter. Oops, there is an error. You need to first cd to the Roop folder and then install the requirements, right? Alright, just wait until these requirements will be installed on your environment. Okay, the dependencies are installed now and you need to download the ONNX model from the URL I have provided in the description of this video. Unfortunately, the access to ONNX model was revoked by the repo authors, but I have provided the link and you can download the model from here. After downloading the model, just navigate to your Roop folder and paste the file in the model folder. The final step is to run the tool. Just write python run.py in the command prompt while you are in the Roop folder. There are some packages that will be installed when you run the tool for the first time, right? After this, restart your system and run Roop again. Select your image and then select target here. Alright, it is now processing the video. As this is running on CPU, so it might take some time. Otherwise, if you have GPU, then you need to install additional packages as mentioned in here and run this tool with this command. Swap your faces locally and let me know about the results in the comment section below. Thanks for watching until the end. If you learned something from this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Airburn Box. Until next time.